Hello student, I am Radhika Sharma from Naini Public School, Naini Prayagraj. Today we will study about political science chapter number 1, power sharing. The power sharing of power among legislature, executive, judiciary is the most important element of democracy. The sharing of power can become a major factor for distinction of a country if people belonging to different ethnic, religion, caste, etc. are not given proper sharing running country. This whole means that power sharing among legislature means that powers is divided into three main parts, that is legislature, executive and judiciary. The most important element of democracy means these all three are very important element of democracy. The sharing of power can become the major factor for distinction of a country, means to run a country, to run the people's life of a country is very important factor that depends on legislature, executives and judiciary. Okay, so here is an example of Belgium and Sri Lanka. There were different conflicts between the people of the Belgium and Sri Lanka with their government, so we will discuss about them in this chapter. Belgium is an important country in the northwest Europe, means Belgium lies in the part of northwest Europe. It is the border with Netherlands, France and Germany. The countries with the border to this part is Netherlands, France and Germany. It has population of little over 10 million. Its population is about 10 million. The ethnic composition of this small country is very complex, means the ethnic composition means the composition of its government. Of the country's total population, 59% lives in the Flemish region, means that 59% of its total population, means the 59% of 10 million lives in the part of Flemish region and speak the Dutch language, and other 40% people lives in the Walloon region and speak French, and the remaining 1% of the Belgian speaks German. In the capital cities Brussels, 80% of the people speak French while 20% are Dutch speaking. For what is this? Because there are three different countries which are sharing border with Belgium. That's why the people of this area have different type of languages. As we see in our country India also, there are different types of language which we can see in different type of state also. So here's the next line is, the minority French speaking community was relatively rich and powerful, means the minority French matlab the French speaking people were in minority but were rich and powerful. So the Dutch speaking community who got the benefit of economic development and education much later shows the resentment, but the majority was showed the resentment but not given any type of power. Now here is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is an island nation in South Asia located about 31 km off the southern coast of India, means it is 31 km out from the Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is 31 km off from south coast of India. It has about 20 million people, means its total population is 20 million people. Like other nation in the South Asia region, Sri Lanka has diverse population. The Sinhalese community from the majority of the population is 74%. Mean it is also divided in two parts. First is Sinhalese, which are 74%, and the Tamils, who are 18%, concentrated in the north and east of the island. Forming the largest ethnic minority among Tamils, there are two subgroups. There is also a subgroup between the Tamils. Tamil native of a country are called Sri Lankan Tamils are of 13%, means that there are, first of all we should think that the Sri Lanka has two parts among their people. First is Sinhalese and the second one is Tamils, and Tamils has also two parts. Tamil natives are of which are called Sri Lankan Tamils are 13%, and the Tamils who were bought as the detentured labor from India by British colonists, and these Indian origin Tamil are 5%. First is Sri Lankan Tamils are 13% and second is Indian origin Tamil 5%. There are about 7% Christian who are both Tamils and Sinhalas, and the rest of us 7% Christian who are both Tamils and Sinhalas. Majoritarism in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka emerged as an independent country in 1948. Means Sri Lanka got independence in 1948 and our country got independence in 1947. The Sinhals were in the majority, so the leaders of the Sinhals community shout to secure dominant over government by virtue of their majority. Means when the Sri Lanka got independent, the Sinhals were large in the number, and then they raised their voice to get the virtue for their majority. So the democratically elected government adopted a race of majoritism measure to establish Sinhal supremacy. To secure majoritarism, the government took following measure. What happened when there was an elected government in Sri Lanka, but what happened, the government took place, and the government took side of majority, which were Sinhals, and the security of measurement, to secure this majoritism, there were some measures taken by government. They are as follows. In 1956, an act was passed under which English was replaced as the country's official language. Means the English is an official language of Sri Lanka, not only by Sinhals and Tamil but Sinhalas also. The government follows provincial policies that favor Sinhalas applicants for universities, positions and government job. Means when the government followed this type of policy, so they have very applicants for Sinhalas for university positions and government job. The new constitution stipulated that the state shall protect and foster Buddhism. Means the state give rise to the shall protect and foster Buddhism. Means they give rise to the Buddhism. The denial of the citizenship to each state Tamils, means they were also part of Tamils, so some rights were also given to the Tamils. The Sri Lankan Tamils felt the name of the major political parties led by the Buddhist Sinhals were sensitive to their language and culture. Means the Sri Lankan thought that if there was a Buddhist Sinhals, there are very sensitive thing towards their language and culture. Government denied them equal political right. Government didn't give any equal rights to the Sri Lankan Tamils, and by 1980 several political organizations were formed demanding on the independent Tamil Eelam. It means what? That in 1988 there were created different type of political organization which were demanding for independent Tamil Eelam. Means they wanted another state for themselves in northern eastern of Sri Lanka. The distinction between the two communities turned into widespread conflict and ultimately into a civil war. Means it was just a civil war. It was didn't like war, but it was a civil war. Okay, and civil war means the small verbal war between government and citizens. Since 23 July 1983, there has been on and off civil war predominantly between the government and Liberation Tigers of Tamil Eelam. Liberation, I have highlighted this Liberation Tigers of Tamil Eelam because it was an party. Means there was one side government and one side this Liberation Tiger of Tamil Eelam, and in short form you can call it LTTE. A separatist armed organization who fight for the creation of an independent state named Tamil Eelam in the north and east of the island. Means that I have explained it before, that the Sri Lankan Tamils wanted another state for their name, and to give another name, and its name was Tamil Eelam. Why the sharing of power is desirable means, why do we want the sharing of power? We want sharing of power because to avoid conflicts, matlab there should be no conflicts among the people. Conflicts means there should be no war between any verbal or any type of misunderstanding between the peoples and government. To avoid this conflict, they have started to help to reduce the possibility of conflict between social groups. It is a good way to ensure political stability. Means if we give equal rights to the groups, different groups and government, if the powers are equally divided, so there will be less possibility of conflicts between government and its people. A spirit of democracy means power sharing is the basic spirit of democracy. A democratic government is legitimate government is chosen by the people. Means spirit of democracy means that people had their own uh, perspective to have their own government. The first set of reason can be prudential and the second is moral. Means for having an equal right between the governments, it can be divided into two parts, prudential and the second is moral. Prudential, it is based on careful of gain and loss, and moral values is based purely on morals consideration. These reasons help to reduce the possibility of conflict between social groups, and these reasons are considered as basic spirit of democracy. The reservation of constituencies for minorities and women in India is prudential reason. Declaration of powers in India is an example of moral reason. Now here is an important form of our chapter that which tell us about what are the major form of power sharing. The major form of power democracy. The modern democracies following are some of the important power sharing arrangements. First is power sharing among different organs of government, horizontal power sharing, which is very popular about our Indian government. Power is shared among different organs of government such as legislature, executive and judiciary. This is called the horizontal distribution of power because it allows different organs of government placed at the same level to exercise different power. Here I have made a chart. Indian government have a part of legislature, executive and judiciary. This type of power is called as horizontal type of power sharing. Now second is power sharing among government at different level. Under this, people choose separate government at separate levels. For example, the government at different level enjoys different power which are given to them by the constitution. The division of power involving higher and lower levels of the government are called vertical division of power. What does it mean? People choose separate government at separate levels. Means if there is village level, there will be a different government. If there is a government at state level, it will be a different government. If there will be a government at national level or union level, it will be an other government. I have also created a chart on this. That is, first is Indian government. It is a union government which is called as central government. Second is state government which is put it on the every state, and last is local government which is as panchayati raj and all that, and this form is known as vertical form. Third is power sharing among different social groups. The democracy power are also shared among social groups such as religious and linguistic groups. What does it mean? The democracy power has that powers are also divided in the religious groups, as the community government in Belgium is a good example of this arrangement. In India, to provide share of power to the backward classes and system reserve constitution in assembly and the parliamentary is follows. जैसे as in India there is more shares are of power is given to backward classes to have equal right between the common and the backwards. The last topic of our chapter is, and it is important because it is about the political government colonization. Okay, the power sharing among political government partition pressures group and movements. Democracy provides the citizen a choice to choose their rulers. These choice provide means, in this I will explain you in short that there are different parties in our India, as taking example that we have Congress, BJP, Baspa, Trinamool Congress, etc. in our country as political parties. So sometimes there are some parties which get together and make a team, and if they want, so they make a government, they have a government, so that government is called the colonization government. Okay, so and this para it is explained that if there are different type of government comes together, contest election, and when they elected, they form an colonization government. I hope this video will help you to understand about the power sharing and the type of government which is helping in India. So thank you.